Hello everyone, I Sayyid Nawaz. I welcome back you to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe. So in today's video we are going to see one of the numerical problem in which we are going to find the skin factor. So let us quickly see the question. And the question is like it appears in GATE 2020, question number 48. The question is like well stimulation is carried out in a homogeneous formation. The well is stimulated up to a radial distance of 54 inch from the surface of the wellbore. The diameter of the wellbore is 12 inch. The permeability enhancement in the stimulated region is found to be 10 times that of unstimulated region. Assuming that steady state radial flow, the skin factor after simulation is, you have to round it off up to 2 decimal point. So here you can see one thing, that the well is stimulated up to a radial distance of 54 inches from the surface of the wellbore. So from the wellbore, the point from the wellbore is starting from there up to 54 inches. The well has been stimulated. But if you are considering the radius of skin, then you should also consider that from the surface it has been stimulated up 12 inches, but he didn't consider the radius of the wellbore, right? So when we are going to solve the problem, we also have to include the wellbore radius in the radius of skin. So that's the point what I want to make here, and because of this reason only he has given this question in 2 marks. So let us quickly see the answer for it. So as I mentioned in the question, the given data is like wellbore diameter is 12 inch, radius of skin is 54 inches, and which is incomplete obviously. Permeability due to skin is 10 times of the permeability. Skin factor we have to find out. So where we know the skin factor formula in terms of permeability and radius is like K by K skin minus 1 ln of R skin by RW. Okay, so the conversion where I hope you remember that this formula is totally based on means FPS units, foot pounds and seconds. So here we have to convert the given data in terms of feet. Okay, so let us first convert the data. Wellbore radius is equal to first we have to find the radius, although in the question it has been given the diameter as 12 inch. So if we have to convert this 12 inch into radius, that I did by dividing by 12, because d equal to 2r. So 12 by 2 is nothing but your radius, but it is in inch. So to convert inch to feet, I am just dividing it by 12, because 1 feet is equals to 12 inches. So the final answer what I got for wellbore radius in terms of feet is 0.5 feet. Okay. Now it comes for the skin radius. So as I mentioned earlier that in the question it has been given that it has stimulated from the surface up to 54 inches. Okay, from the surface of the wellbore. But he didn't consider the wellbore radius, so here I am including the wellbore radius as 6 inches. Okay, so 54 plus 6 is nothing but 60, and 60 is in inches, so when I divide with 12 it will just change its unit to 5 feet. So the answer for radius of skin is 5 feet. So now let us quickly do the calculation for it. S equals to K by 10K minus 1 ln of 5 divided by 0.5. I have just simply substituted the radius values. Now I am going to substitute as here I wrote K by 10K. The only reason is here it is given in the question that as you can see here in the question, like the permeability enhancement in the stimulated region is found to be 10 times that of unstimulated region. So here you can consider that the permeability due to skin is 10 times than the normal permeability, means unstimulated permeability. So because of that reason I wrote K by 10K. So here K and K get cancelled, so final means the value what we got is 1 by 10 minus 1 ln of 5 by 0.5. So after you simplified everything, the final value what we got is as skin factor equal to minus 2.07. So he asked us to find up to 2 decimal points, so here I stopped it. Okay, so The thing over here, once we get minus skin factor, we should understand that there will be an production enhancement near the wellbore if we have negative skin factor, and obviously there will be a pressure drop due to the skin formation. So that is the meaning of negative skin factors. Okay. So I hope you understand everything regarding this question. If you have any doubts, then you can use my comment box. So if you like this video, just hit like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Petroleum Universe, and press the bell icon to get a latest notification of my videos. So thank you so much. Stay safe, and bye bye.